What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm back from my vacation. I'm back, guys. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? And today, I'm gonna be doing a video again. It's been a long time that I've been recording. I know, going to Disney World, going to the pool, going to with my friends, hanging out, all that. I know, I know. It's okay, guys. And guys, I just want to thank you guys for almost 50 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. And today, guys, we are going to be playing Roblox again. Well, as you guys know, I lost my account. I know. I deleted it. I quit Roblox for like a long time, 1 year. But we're back in business, guys. At least that's okay. So I know I was downloading this stuff. So yeah, and let's go on to this Roblox. So now, as you can see, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna hide. I know, guys. I know. I just want. You know what? No. You know what? Fine, bro. Let's just do this. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna go to Safari, and we are going to type Roblox. It's been a long time, guys. I know, right? Okay, Roblox. Still gone with my typing. I know. Okay, still with the Roblox. And you know what's good? Yeah, the Shark Gamer XX. That's my account, and I just played Muscle Simulator. So, guys, yeah, as you guys know, if you guys don't know, my name is Daniel, and I make videos. And as you guys know, I'm a gamer. I'm a YouTube gamer, so yeah. And I also play Minecraft. I'm gonna be doing more Minecraft videos. I trust me. I know I do lots of Roblox, but I swear I'm gonna go back to Minecraft. I know I played a lot of Minecraft back then. Okay, guys, as you know, my favorite game is Dinosaur Simu. Oh God, mistakes. Simulator. As you guys know, I played it a lot in the past, so yeah. Dinosaur Simulator. Here we go. Wow, they updated the thing really good. It's a new. It's probably an update. Who knows? Guys, I know. I'm a noob, guys. I'm a noob. No, guys. I got a new wallpaper. So Wolverine. I like Wolverine. He's the best. Shout out to Hugh Jackman for making these movies. Anyway, we're back at it again, guys. Yeah, loading. Please wait. Okay, I'll wait patiently. And guys, yep, we're here again. Some of you guys are thinking, like, why am I playing the same game all the time? It's just because I just like it. And it's my addiction. So, yeah, I used to have so many of these. Limited? Oh, that's nice. I used to have every single dinosaur in here. Now I only have these three, which suck. Oh, I'm gonna miss this. Even the Spinosaurus is not free? Wow. Wow, that's lame. We've been recording 3 minutes. Guys, I know Screenomatic has a limit. I wish it didn't. So, we're just gonna be... Wait, what has more attack? This. So, we're just gonna be that. 45. Okay, 5, 10. Albino. Scar? Wow, that's nice. Two. I'm wasting time. Let's just go already. Before I'm gonna destroy my head over this game. Okay, here we are at this game again. Yes. And we grow really fast. Like, seriously. We look like we're an adult already. Guys, why do I look like I just came out of the ground like I'm a dead T-Rex? What, do you think I look like that? Like, that looks awkward. Oh my God. I look horrible. Maybe I will look better when I grow up. Get it? Grow up. We grow up. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the sunset. It's already sunny now. Anyway, guys, how did you enjoy your vacation? I know school started. School started a week ago. But how was your vacation in a week ago? I know it's probably, I hope it was good, because I want you guys to have a good vacation like I did. Hanging out with friends, watching movies, watching everything. Guys, and also, by the way, do you know this YouTube? Not YouTube. Do you know this do you know this movie that's called The Meg? I watched that movie. It's not scary. It's about I'm gonna tell you about it. It's about a big giant megalodon chasing people, eating people, not eating people, you know, like just hanging out, doing the shark thing. Just setting up my mouse. Oh, what's this? I haven't seen this dinosaur in a while. Who are you? Okay, you have 2,000 health. Get away from me. Ah, I'm gonna die. Okay, we're still a baby. We don't even look like a baby. Look, we look original. Oh my god, they added details on this T-Rex. Oh, look, we're both T-Rexes. Wait, are we? Yeah, we're both Tyrannosaurus Rex. Speaking of Tyrannosaurus Rex, what the heck was I saying? Oh, they had music? Let me do They add music. Wow, I don't know if you guys could hear that, but they actually add music for the first time ever. Battle music. Alright. Can I just be a baby? Can I just be an adult already? Like, what the heck? Am I gonna spend the whole video on 6 minutes just being a baby? Maybe I'll do a continuation. If this video doesn't last long, then I promise as soon as this video ends, I'm gonna make more videos. And guys, I won't do this again. I won't do this again to you guys. I won't just get a year off of YouTube. Guys, of course I won't do that, but I will only do that for one time. Only one time because of vacation. I know, vacation. Whoa, what the heck? Wow, okay. Anyway, guys, I know you guys have been watching my videos, and I really thank you for supporting me like that, because it makes me help getting a lot of views and a lot of support on my channel. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And I have no words. Oh god. Anyway, shift lock. That's running. I forgot the tools on this game. It's been a long time I haven't played. CTRL, which is like this. Shift run. Alt, nothing. Bite the mouse when you click. What's over there? Is that a glowing? Is that? Oh no! It's a Pterodactyl. Oh, it's a Utahraptor. Oh no! Run, T-Rex, run! I didn't know. I thought that was a weak one. No! No, I'm gonna fight you. You're gonna fight you in a WWE me? Huh? Yeah, I know I'm gonna die, but some other dinosaur will cut. I know. Well, guys, hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the later, guys. Peace out, goodbye, and I'll see you in 2 minutes. Bye, guys. I love you all, and have a good day.